Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you my new subscription called Gramma in a Box. This one looks like so much fun, guys. If you want to see what it's all about, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you a different subscription box for me, and this one is called Gramma in a Box. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm really excited about this one. Like, I kept checking and checking and checking to see when this one was going to be delivered. I was so stoked when I saw that it was going to be delivered today. So can't wait to dig into this one. So this one is like a baking kind of box without the baking. Hope that makes sense. They give you all the supplies that you need to decorate some cookies and other little goodies. They make it super simple, super easy. It's actually kind of designed for grandma to do with her grandkids and things like that. So if the kids can do it, surely I can do it, right? I hope so. So honestly, this is the kind of box that I would get even if I didn't have a kid, because I love cookies and candies and decorate and stuff. So this is really my kind of box. I so can't wait to dig into this one. But before I do, I want to give a shout out to Ro. She has a channel called TalksBox, and that channel is where I found out about this box. She has all kinds of different subscriptions that you probably haven't heard of. She's really fun to watch, great personality. You definitely have to go check her out. I watch her all the time. She has tons of different videos on subscription services that I've never heard of, or ones that I've seen, have been on the fence about, and her unboxing them helps me decide whether or not I'm going to get the box. So make sure you check out Rose. She's got a great channel, and I don't know what else to say. So we are going to jump into what I got in this box. Okay, guys, so here's your box. Awesome. Okay, so it says Gramma in a Box right on the front here, and then it has the little logo. Super cute. It's a really small box, but honestly, guys, this little small box is going to pack a pretty big punch. I think you'll be surprised all the stuff that's in here to do 3 awesome little projects. So let's dig in. All right, I already did break the seal, but I didn't open it. So here's, sorry guys, here's what it looks like when you open it. It's got super cute red polka dot paper and the little grandma logo there. Love it. This is so cute. Okay, so there's some cards in here, guys. Okay, so this is just telling you about Gramma in the Box, and has various different projects that they've had in the past. Awesome. And then they're telling you a little bit about what's going to be in this box, and there are a total of 3 projects. So we have the little cards telling us how we're going to make each of the projects. Pretty cool. So I don't know if I'm going to need to follow these so that you guys understand what I'm showing you. We'll have to see how this goes. This is my first time doing this. So let's pop this bad boy open. Oh, so cute. Very well packaged. Oh my gosh, how cute is this, guys? Look at this. So cute. Full of all these little goodies. Okay, so it looks like I am going to have to talk about the projects because I don't think you're going to understand if I don't. So the first project is Spooky Witches Hats. So for this project, you are going to be using the little Hershey Kisses they provided in here. And then they have these disc cookies. What disc cookies? Oh, the Ginger Snap. They have little Ginger Snap disc cookies. So you're going to use these along with the Hershey Kisses. And it looks like you're going to need some sprinkles, which they have provided here. So they have little sprinkles in here. And that looks like it's going to be it aside from icing. So they have these little icings packaged in here. Let me open this up all the way. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. How cute is that? That little sticker. I love it. Wow, I really love this. I'm probably going to get this one for ever. I'm just saying. So cute. Okay, so we have 3 different icing little packets here. So cute, ready to go in their little bags. Loving it, guys. So purple, orange, and white are what they have here. So I'm assuming you're going to, put some of the icing onto the little cookies. Then you're going to add your little Hershey Kiss, which they provided here. And then whatever sprinkles you want to use. So everything that you need to decorate your little witch hat cookies is here in this box. Love it. And you don't have to bake. So fun, guys. I will definitely walk you guys through me making all of these little projects and show you the final ones. That's part of the fun of this box. I love interactive boxes. Okay, so this next one is a crispy Halloween bites. So for this one, we're going to need these little, I don't want to mess that up. It wasn't sealed all the way, which is fine. But I don't want to spill it. So you get this little thing of cereal. I don't know what kind of cereal that is. I don't know if it's, Cocoa Krispies. So you get these little Cocoa Krispies, and you're going to need the Cocoa Krispies with something else. What else do we need? Oh, we have these little bones. Yeah, you're going to need these little bones. And then they also have these little cups that you're going to use as well with the melting chocolate. Okay, and like I said, everything is in here, which is fantastic. So I will walk you through how I'm going to make this, but those are the supplies for the next project. I don't want to go into too much detail with that and waste your time, because I'm going to go through each of these steps and show you how I'm making all the stuff. So the third project is called Halloween cookies, and for this one you're going to need the sprinkles that I've already showed you. I've already shown you the icing, and they provided some little cookies here. Looks like we have a ghost on this side that you really can't see. And then there's a witch's hat right here. So cute. And this one here has some pumpkins. So cute. I think those are, yeah. All the rest of it is just different size pumpkins. That is so super cute. What's in the very bottom here? Oh, this is nice. So they have, I'm guessing this is what you would put down on your table to protect your table from the massive mess that you're about to make, which is nice. I make such a mess when I bake, guys, because I do love baking, but it looks like a bomb went off in my kitchen. No exaggeration. Okay, so that is so cute, guys. I love this. So in here it just says this month we have 3 new projects: Halloween in Mind, witches hats, crispy Halloween bites, and Halloween cookies with frosting and sprinkles. So awesome. And they like to see pictures of your finished projects, so they do leave a link to their email where you could send your pictures, because they would love to share them on their website. So fun. I can't wait to dig into this box. So we're going to jump into me making all these little projects to see the final things, and then I'll jump into final thoughts. Okay, so we need the ginger snap cookies, Hershey Kisses, sprinkles, and the melting chocolate. Yeah, not the icing like I said in the beginning. You also need a bowl, which is not provided. So you're going to take the melting chocolate, plop it into the bowl, heat it in your microwave for 30 seconds, stir, heat it for 30 more seconds, stir again, then 10 more seconds, stir, ready to roll. Then you're going to take the back of your spoon and you're going to spread some of the chocolate onto one of your cookies. So easy, guys. I'm loving this so far. Yeah, in the beginning I thought that you need the icing, but no, you need the melting chocolate for this project. So you're just going to spread some of that chocolate onto your cookie, plop your little Hershey Kiss in the center of it, and after that you just take your sprinkles and you sprinkle it onto the cookie. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so easy and so fun. This is definitely a project you can do with your kids. But if you don't have any kids and you just want a cute little treat for yourself that you don't have to bake, this would be great too. I'm loving it. So easy. Oh, this is so fun. Oh yeah, I got too many witches hats on one side, so I just moved one to the other side. Here I am finishing up the final cookies. That's what they look like. Bada bing, bada boom. Let those dry. Now we're moving on to the next project where I need the little cups, the Cocoa Crispy cereal, some little candy, and you also need the melting chocolate for this one. So you take the Cocoa Crispy cereal, you put it into the bowl, and you mix it together. Pretty simple. Loving it so far. Alrighty-dighty. So then you're just going to take a spoonful of your cereal and put it into the little cup. And you're going to do that for all of your cups. You're just going to take a spoonful of the cereal and put it in there. Well, cereal and chocolate mix. After that, you just put some of your little bones in there. And they have little skulls in there too. So fun. And I end up adding sprinkles to this, but I don't show you that in this clip because I did that as an afterthought. I just thought it looked better. So this is almost what these ones look like when they're done. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to move on to project 3 where we have all of these cookies that we need to decorate with this icing. Now in the directions it tells you to like work your icing and knead it together, and if it looks like it's separated during ship it, But yeah, I didn't do that, and I so regret it. They also say you need toothpicks. I didn't have toothpicks, so I was going to use those little twist ties instead. It would have worked fine if I would have realized this was royal icing. I don't know what I was thinking. So the first thing that you need to do is snip the tips of your icing. But like I said, before you do that, you're going to want to work your icing and make sure it's all completely, mixed together. Where I did not do that step because it looks to be mixed together, but trust me, guys, it's definitely been separated a little bit, and you're going to see that here in a minute. So I'm going to spread my icing. Well, I made a border first. So I made a border like you do if you're using royal icing. So I don't know why I didn't treat this like royal icing, because that's what it is. Oh my gosh, it's so frustrating, guys. Watching this back really irritates me. Nonetheless, I was treating it as a buttercream icing because they say you can use a knife to spread it around. So I was thinking buttercream icing, and I'm spreading this around, and it's just so not working, guys. And I did this not only for the pumpkins, but I did it for the ghosts too, until I realized, hello, Amber, it's royal icing. Nonetheless, this is what these are looking like so far. Yeah, it's looking really rough, guys. So then I was going to do this whole blending technique that you do with the toothpicks. So I'm just, squirting some in there, and then you take the toothpicks and you just blend it. Yeah, look, that didn't work. That's because my icing was so separated and such a mess. I should have worked this icing so much more than I did. I'm so regretting that. So I just obviously decided to spread it back together with the orange icing because it looked terrible. So then I decided to add some purple sprinkles as a nice contrast, and I should have let it dry a little bit because that didn't work either. So then I added some of those other ones. They were just kind of floating on top, so I pressed them in. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same wrong process with the ghost. It took me how many cookies? We're in cookie number 6 here before I realized I was doing it wrong. So here's me doing it correctly, the flooding technique with the little I'm just using the bag as my flutter thing instead of a toothpick. Works just fine. And I'm adding a little more to the side there because I didn't quite have enough. But the witches' hats look far better than the rest of the cookies because I finally started doing it right at this point. Awesome. So I finished decorating them, and this is what they look like. I tried to make them look as best as I possibly could by adding some borders to the pumpkins and the ghost because it was just such a disaster. But overall, they turned out super cute. I'm really happy with them. This was such a fun, quick, easy project to do. I would recommend this one for anyone. Let's jump into final thoughts. Okay, guys, so everything turned out okay. The first 2 projects went pretty good. They were pretty simple, straightforward. Anybody can do those. So that's what makes this kit so super fun. I wish I would have realized that the icing they included was royal icing. I don't know what I was thinking, because most sugar cookies do have royal icing on them, but in my family, we don't really care for the royal icing, so we always do a buttercream icing. So that's why I was trying to spread it out with the knife and stuff, but if you guys do get this kit, don't do that. Number one mistake that I made is I didn't need the icing to make sure that it was completely mixed and everything from being shipped. That is definitely something that you should do. I thought mine looked okay, but honestly, when I started squirting it out, it definitely was not okay. So you definitely need to work that icing in before you snip the tip. Work the icing in, just rub it with your hands, get everything mixed in that bag as best as you can without opening the bag. So that was suggestion number 1 and my first fail. Then secondly, don't bother with a knife. It's just such a waste of time. It went so much smoother if you just outline your sugar cookie border and then fill it in with royal icing, and then you can just use the tip of the bag to kind of swirl it in. You don't need a toothpick, but you definitely could use a toothpick, and that's what most people do when they use the royal icing, but you really don't need to. I just used the tip of the bag, and it worked just fine when I did it right on those witches' hats, which were the ones that looked sort of kind of the best of the bunch. Honestly, guys, I do know how to decorate cookies, and normally I can decorate cookies really well, but this does not show that at all. It looks like a child did the cookies. So when I send my pictures in, maybe that's what they'll think. Let's just let them think that. And hopefully they don't see this video and see that I was actually the one that did the whole thing, and it looks like a 5-year-old did it. Awesome. But guys, honestly, this was such a fun little box. I would suggest this box for anybody. You get a good bang for your buck, $20. I got 3 projects and 6 little treats out of each project. So what is that, 18 treats? I mean, that's really awesome. For 20 bucks, you get a fun interactive project that you get to do either with yourself or your family and just have fun with it. I mean, I really like this box. It's definitely up there as one of my favorites now because it's simple, easy projects. They're kind of Pinteresty kind of projects that you can do at home. They provide pretty much all the supplies that you need, and they make it as easy as possible. What more could you guys ask for? I hope that you guys check this box out because I definitely think it's awesome. It's $20 a month if you do the auto debit, and then if you commit to longer periods of time, of course, they give you a discount. You know how all that deal works. They give you a discounted rate the longer time that you decide to do the box. I'm probably going to up mine to the yearly one because honestly, I love this box. I don't see myself not getting it. It was so super fun. I promise you I will do a better job on my next cookies. I guess there'll be like a Thanksgiving kind of a theme, I'm assuming, for the next ones and then the Christmas ones, which I'm really looking forward to. So this was fun. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. I absolutely loved it. So if you guys aren't subscribed and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the super fun stuff I have going on here. I do have a lot of DIYs coming up. I've been working on stuff, but unfortunately some of it's not finished, some of it's half finished. I don't know, but it's going to be coming out really soon. Some really fun projects, some that you can do and some that you're going to think I'm out of my mind, but it's totally fine. I mean, most of the time I am. So if all that interests you, make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! So when it told me that it was shipped, I kept checking and checking and checking to see when it was going to be here because I'm really excited about it. So yeah. Where to go from here? Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you... I don't want to start that way. Try it again. So in today's video, I have for you one of those different... Yep. Bam! Hope you guys like that. So in today's video, I have for you a new subscription. New to me anyways. It might not be me. Okay, but all right, let's get started. So this one is, it's like a, because I just like this kind of stuff. I like the goofy, you know, Halloween cookies. Derailing. Guys, I'm really stoked about this one. This is so my kind of box. Now, the purpose, or the, I don't want to say that. So in today's video, I have for you, let's try it again. Okay, so here's the box. Super nice with their, you know, their, okay, that didn't work. Good, then bad.